Hello everyone. Today we will find DFT of the sequence x of n using DIT FFT method. Here the input samples are, number of samples are 4 na. So here we can solve it as a step by step. Here the total number of samples are 4. So capital N equals to 4. Capital N equals to 4. That means total number of sequence difference can be find out by the n by 2. That means capital N value is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So totally the difference is 2. That means x of 0 and x of 2. Here the difference is 2. Similarly, x of 1 and x of 3. Here the difference is 3. These are the even parameters and these are the odd parameters. Next, step 2. These even and odd parameters are, write it as first you write in even parameters, then write it as odd parameters. Okay, that means x of 0, x of 2, x of 1, x of 3. These two are the even, these two are the odd parameters. This for the sequence. Next, so here inputs are taken in bit reversal order and outputs are in natural order. Okay, next here number of stages in flow graph is, number of stages in flow graph that can be m equals to log n suffix 2. Okay, so here log n is 4. 2 to the power of 4. The log 2 to the power of 4 value is 2. Okay, so total number of stages in flow graph is, totally 2 stages are required. So this for stage 1 and this for stage 2. This for completely stage 1. Next this for stage 2. Totally 2 number of stages are required, and next each stage consists of the formula is n by 2. Each stage consists of n by 2. That means 4 by 2. That equals to 2. So here this first stage is consists of 2 butterflies. Okay. Here this first stage consists of 2 butterflies. And next, number of complex multiplications in, number of complex multiplications are 4 and number of complex additions are 4. Number of complex multiplications are 4 and number of complex multiplications are 4. And here we can find it as Twiddle factor values. In this Twiddle factor values, Wn to the power of k. Twiddle factor formula is W n to the power of k. Okay, so here n is the number of input samples and k is the k is up to 0 to up to 3. So we can substitute it as n values and k values. We can find out the Twiddle factor values. So W 4 to the power of 0 means e to the power of minus j 2 pi by 4 into k value is 0. So e to the power of 0 value is 1. Then W 4 to the power of 1, k value is 1 and n value is 4. We can simplify it. The value is minus j. Okay, the exponential term can be written it as cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Okay, here cos 90 is 0, minus j sin 90 value is 1. So here minus j into 1 is minus j output. Okay, and next W 4 to the power of 2 value is minus 1. Then W 4 to the power of 3 value is minus j. Okay, next here x of 0 is connected to x of 1. Okay, so here the butterflies are connected to each together na. The butterfly x of 0 flows in this direction, and x of 2 flows in this direction. Okay, so x of 0 value is x of this value is this butterfly value is x of 0 plus w4 to the power of 0 x of 2. Means here why I am taking w4 to the power of 0? Here each base term is multiplied with w4 to the power of 0 and minus 1. Each base term is added with minus 1 here also and here also. Okay, first stage, two base terminals are there. So in these two base terminals are multiplied with minus 1 and w4 to the power of 0. And second stage, two base terminals are there. So each base terminal is multiplied with w4 to the power of 0 and minus 1. Here w4 to the power of 1 and minus 1. Okay. Next, here the x of, here this butterfly value is x of 0 plus w4 to the power of 0 into x of 2. So x of 0 value is here, the values are x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. Okay, we can substitute these values in here. X of 0 is 1 plus x of 2 value is 1 and w4 to the power of 0 is, see here, w4 to the power of value is 1. Okay, so finally 1 plus 1 into 1, totally value is 2, and these outputs can be represented in a of 0. First value is a of 0, that equals to 2. Next, x of 2. X of 2 is connected in this. Okay, so here x of 0 minus, why? Because here the terminal is comes this na after this. So here x of 0 minus w4 to the power of 0 x of 2. So totally 1 minus 1 into 1. Totally the value is 0. That can be represented in a of 1 into 0. Then next one, x of 1 and x of 3. So here the butterfly is goes to this na. So here x of 1 plus w4 to the power of 0 into x of 3. So x of 1 value is 1 and x of 3 value is minus 1 into w4 to the power of 0 value is 1. Totally minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1. The value is minus 2. That can be represented in a of 2 equals to minus 2. Then w, here x of 1 is flows in this direction na. So here multiplied with minus 1. So x of 1 multiplied with minus 1. So that's why minus w4 to the power of 0 x of 3. Here x of 1 value is minus 1 minus w4 to the power of 0 is 1 and x of 3 value is minus 1. So totally minus 1 minus plus here. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. A of 3 value is 0. These are the outputs of first stage, and these outputs, first stage outputs comes under the second stage inputs. Okay. Next, this for second stage. This for stage 1. Stage 1. Here stage 2. Comes to the second stage. Here a of 0 is connected to here and a of 1 is connected to here and a of 2 is connected to this and a of 3 is connected to this. Okay, here the butterfly is comes to this na. So the value is a of 0 plus w4 to the power of 0 into a of 2. Okay, so a of 0 value is 2 plus w4 to the power of 0 value is 1 and a of 2 value is minus 2. A of 2 value is minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So in second stage outputs can be represented in x of 0. Okay, so the value of the value is 0. So finally x of 0 equals to 0. Next, here flows in this na. So the value the formula is a of 1 plus w4 to the power of 1 into a of 1 into here w4 to the power of 1 into a of 3 nana. Here a of 3. So a of 1 value is 0 plus w4 to the power of 1 value is w4 to the power of 1 is minus j. Okay, we can substitute here, and a of 3 value is 0. So the value the output is x of 1 equals to 0. Next, this can be flows to this na, and this can be flows to this. So here x of 0 plus w4 to the power of 0 into here multiplied with minus 1 na, minus 1 into a of 2. So here a of 0 value is 2 minus here minus 1 into w4 to the power of 0 minus 1 and a of 2 value is minus 2. So 2 minus into minus plus 2 plus 2 is value is 4. X of 2 value is 4. Next, a of 1. Here next one is a of 1 plus w4 to the power of 0 into multiplied with minus 1 into a of 3. So 0, a of 1 value is 0 and w4 to the power of 1. Here w4 to the power of 1 nana. w4 to the power of 1 minus 1 into a of 3. Okay, why I am taking here minus 1? Here base terminal is multiplied with minus 1. So that's why I am taking here minus 1. So 0 minus 1 of minus j into 0, that equals to 0. So the finally output is x of 3 equals to 0. Okay, so totally the value these values are represented in x of k equals to first value is 0 and second value is 0, third one is 4, fourth one is 0. Thank you.